are going to love the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, premium sound system, rear defrost, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.